Hi everyone! This is Krista of Pinays Kitchen, and today we are making beef bulgogi. All the list and exact measurements of all the ingredients is in the description box, so check that out. First is we're gonna slice one large onion. After slicing, make sure all the strands is separated from each other. Divide it into two separate containers. One is for the marinade and one is for cooking. And then we're gonna mince some garlic. All this garlic that I'm doing right now is not just for the bulgogi because this is the night where I did a Korean grill. So from all this garlic that I'm doing, I'm only gonna need 2 tablespoons of garlic. Slice your scallions into 2 and then cut it into about 2-inch long. And then the green part, slice it for garnish. For the marinade, we're gonna need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of plum sauce, but if you have plum extract, you can use that as well. 1 teaspoon of crushed roasted sesame seed, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar or cane sugar, or you can use honey as well. Stir everything together and season it with salt and black pepper. Combine 1 pound of sliced beef with half of your onion, garlic, white part of the scallions, and then pour your marinade over and mix it until everything is incorporated. Cover with plastic wrap and marinate in your fridge overnight. When cooking, heat up your oil in medium-high and pour your meat along with all the ingredients and the marinade. Stir everything together until liquid is absorbed by the meat. When the meat is halfway cooked, you can now add the half of the onions. Keep stirring until onions are translucent but still has that little bit of crunch when you bite on it. When serving, garnish it with the sliced green onions. And that's how you make beef bulgogi. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe below. Thank you guys. Again, this is Krista of Pinays Kitchen. See you guys soon. Bye!